Navigate to the Custody Keep dashboard and hover over and click on Summaries. Summaries is designed for crafting legal documents, such as drafting summaries for court declarations, motions, and filings. It features a full view with title, category tags, creator, last edited by, and last edited time. When you go back to drafts, this is presented in a list view. To add a new draft, simply go to the blue button and click New. Here, you would enter the name of your summary. You're automatically populated with the created by and time. Then you would give it a title, add any tags like child support or declaration, and start your summary. Once listed, all of your information will be contained here. This page is very important because, as you can see, it includes created by and will have collaborators. So if you're using this document with your attorney, then he would be able to access your drafts for court or add drafts for you to edit. His name would appear here as a collaborator, along with details on when it was edited, who edited it, and the last edited time. It also categorizes these so you can find them easily, and then presents them in a list view.